and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to take a closer look at Bybit. We're going to take a Bybit review of the actual platform and its positives and if it's any negatives. So let's dive into the Bybit review. You can go into bybit.com, you can check the description. I will have good deposit bonus codes in the description box, so check that out. So you can buy one click, you can trade on spot trading, you can do a margin trading, leverage tokens, trading bot. They have different types of bots, and what I like about this platform is you can actually trade with derivatives. So what does that mean? Well, you can trade with leveraged trading. You can actually trade with a trade now. So this means that when you trade here, so here you see we have a 10x leverage. So this is a great thing really, and this separates from different other types of exchanges like Coinbase or Binance. Those two agreed that US people can use their platform, but Bybit has not. If you are a US citizen, by means you cannot actually use this platform because they have put in a thing that I don't think you can actually choose the country of US, and I think it's a good thing because Coinbase and Binance actually had problems with the SEC, the Security Exchange Commission. So that means that they can't use the platform or they are in danger. So what is the SEC? Well, the SEC is a company or organization that goes after businesses without any form of reason. They just sometimes they make up things. But in this review we will take a look at the actual platform. So we can start here from the beginning. One click buy. So you can buy crypto within seconds. You can do a P2P trading, 0 fees, 50 fiat currencies and various popular local payment methods and best prices. Fiat deposit, top up balance via bank transfer or bank card. Deposit money, market overview, market data, a launch, a trade. So here we are again into the spot trading. So spot trading is basically you can have a margin with 10x. That's good. So you have the spot trading, right? Spot trading, convert, quick conversion with 0 fees and no slippage. Margin trading, invest with borrowed funds to boost returns. So you can 10x your Bitcoin. So here every single coin you can actually margin trading with. Leverage tokens, expand your derivatives trading experience. Launchpad, buy votes, buy starter, your head start to the next level Web3 innovations. But where is Bybit located? I think it's located in Dubai. So here we are again at the derivatives portal. One-stop platform to all derivatives. Perpetual contracts using USDT as the collateral. So here you have different types of coins. They also provide new coins here. AI is insane. I heard a song with Biggie and Tupac, and it's insane that an AI can create their voices and rap. That's pretty cool. Let top traders work for you, so you can copy the trading. USDC contracts. USDC options. Options contracts using USDC as the collateral. Inverse contracts perpetual and futures contracts using the coin itself as collateral. More to derivatives trading, upgrade your trading experience with optimized products and trading tools. Leverage tokens, expand your derivatives trading experience. Buy votes, cast your votes and share price tools. Position builder, diversify your investments with a range of derivatives contracts and customized strategies and place hundreds of orders in one go. MetaTrader 4, harness the power of auto trading and advanced indicators. Enjoy cross collateral trading and enhanced capital efficiency. So Bybit review. Tools discovery, discover tools tailored for your trading style. So here you can copy, let the top traders work for you. Trading bot, smart traders made easy. Leaderboard, access a variety of trading tools to power up your trading experience. Meta 4 trader. Finance, earn easy access to grow your crypto. Browse a variety of financial investment products. Bybit savings, get guaranteed yields and withdraw deposit tokens anytime. Add liquidity and earn trading fees like professional market makers. Get high yield despite price volatility. ETH 2.0, earn yield trading with your staked ETH. Launchpad, stake and harvest new tokens for free. So there was the finance. Crypto loans, high LTV crypto loans, repay anytime. Card, spend crypto instantly and globally. So here you can get a card. That's cool. So how does the Bybit card actually work? Start your 360 degrees crypto journey with Bybit card and a reliable and convenient way to off-ramp your crypto and spend anytime. Spend crypto instantly and globally, pay at millions of locations worldwide. No additional wallet or account required. No fuss, only benefits. Unlock the potential of Bybit card with zero staking requirements and multiple card tiers. So that's good. I had a card with a company called Crypto.com. Before they had a staking that you had to stake so much coins to get the value of the card. So I got the mid card, or I think I had to stake 300,000 or something. So it was quite a lot. And then they just changed it. Exclusive loyalty rewards, score attractive perks as you earn loyalty rewards points on purchases, plus redeem unique offers, exclusive rewards and more from our partners with Bybit. Lower fees, higher value. No annual fees or hidden fees. So how does the Bybit review card work? The Bybit card is a MasterCard debit card that allows easy and secure access to your funds wherever and whenever you need, making it the ultimate companion for your crypto journey. Off-ramp your crypto funds in your funding account will be automatically deducted when you use the card to make a payment. If necessary, the remaining balance will be covered by converting your crypto into fiat currency. Flexible card management. Yeah. So here are the actual goals. May, June, rollout of the Bybit Card VIP program. I'm going to apply for this card. So how can you apply for the card? You will need to be able to provide a proof of address from the UK eligible EA countries, except Croatia, Iceland, Ireland, and Romania, issued within the last 3 months to comply identity verification during your Bybit card application. How can I check my... So what are associated with fees using the Bybit card? So in this Bybit review, we have foreign exchange fee, crypto conversion fee, annual fee, dormancy fee, card cancellation, card insurance. Daily spending limit is 5,000 euro. Monthly spending limit is 50,000 euro. Annual spending limit 250,000 euro. That's a lot. In Norwegian kroner, this is 2.5 million, so I think that's okay. How do I add funds to my Bybit card? Bybit does not have its own wallet balance. It derives spending power from your funding account. You can top up your funding account by purchasing fiat, one-click buy. Yeah. So this was the card, and Apex Derivatives trades on a non-custodial multi-chain DEX. NFTs, so they also have the Bybit review have NFTs. So here you see some NFTs you can buy. This was a huge thing. CryptoPunks was a thing. So here you see this XAD play cards. Yeah, so that's, they have some NFTs. Web3. Top, what I like about this is you can see the top ranking projects, so top DeFi projects, top game projects. This is huge, actually. And top NFT collections, unstoppable domains. That's cool. I will probably do a review of the unstoppable domains soon. So this was a in-depth review of the Bybit platform, and so here you can see the rewards. I will have links in the description box, as I said, to different types of rewards. So you have the referral program, But what I like about the copy trading thing on Bybit is how you can see different trades they did. So statistics of copy trades. So here you see he shorted USD. So profit master trader, he isolated 10x. So here you see a short. So he opened ADA. That's cool, actually. It's cool that you can see and learn actually from traders. I think they have a learn thing too here. Search, learn. Yeah, Bybit learn. So here you can learn different types of trading strategies on the Bybit platform. This is a own section. So this is cool. This is very cool that you can actually learn inside the Bybit. So this, I hope you like this Bybit review. So I will do different types of reviews in the future. And we can just check here before we leave the Twitter. So here you have the Twitter account of this platform here. The most reliable cryptocurrency exchange. So they have 2.5 million followers. I really like this exchange, really. The reason that they aren't in the USA is because of the SEC. And they're also race. That's cool. Bybit. The fast track to Web3.
Exchange lets you buy and sell crypto fast and fuss-free. And luckily for you, signing up to a Bybit account is fast. Seriously fast. Let's see how fast it really is. You think you can close the line before I sign up? Have you seen what I'm driving?
See how fast they can sign up. That was cool. Look at that. That was a cool video. First happened. So this was cool. That was a cool video. Hope you liked this Bybit review. Make sure you subscribe for any future updates on my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Take care.